Hello guys, welcome in my class Fatima English online classes. It's a online classes as you know. So today I will teach you the importance of English learning. Okay. So what we will learn? We will learn alphabet. We will learn today the importance and origin of English alphabet. So let's see. My topic is importance and origin. Second topic is objective of English learning. So there are many objectives for learning English language. First is reading, second is writing, third is understanding, and fourth is speaking. So first of all we started English learning from reading, then after we come to the writing, and then after we come to the understanding, and at last we go finally to the speaking. And when we learn to speak English, our objective is completed for learning English. So let's see the importance of and origin of English. Let me rub my board. So friends, we will see the importance and origin of English. So what is the importance of English alphabet? Alphabet is the first step of learning English. If you want to learn to speak, if you want to read English, so you must know about the alphabet. Alphabet create some new words. There are 26 letters you know in the alphabet. So all the letters create something new. And every word has a special sound. And this sound made our speech. Without knowing the alphabet, knowing the letters, we can't understand, we can't read, and we can't speak English. So if you want to make any word like help, if I want to write help, so what we have to do? We must know the H-E-L-P. Means if we have the knowledge of H-E-L-P, then we can create a new word that is called the help. So means if you want to write anything, if you want to speak anything, so you have to take the help of the alphabets. So you must know, firstly this is the first step, that you must know the alphabet means A to Z. Whatever yesterday in my first video I told you about the alphabet, that's our vowel and consonant. Okay. So this is the importance. This is if you want to learn English, it's very important to you to learn the alphabet. After alphabet importance, we come to the origin. We will see from where it is originated. It is originated from Phoenician. Which is Phoenician? Phoenician are the people just who have earlier started. It's for their language Phoenician, and from the Phoenician English language is developed. I will give you some phonetic words and their English word also in my group. Okay, so you will see that. So English is originated from Phoenician. Where? Phoenician. You can see more. Okay, I think you understand the origin about the English language. That is from the Phoenician. Phoenician gave the birth of English language. Means alphabet. They originated the alphabet. There are some Phoenician alphabets. So from the Phoenician alphabets, English alphabets originated. Okay. Now, the importance means if we want to start the English, we must create. If we want to create the words, just a very simple word we are writing like C-A-T. Means if we want to write a cat, then we must know about the C, A and T. Then we need to create cat. Like these, in any words you want to know, means all the English language, all the spoken English language based on the alphabet. So in the earlier video we have seen the alphabets. Now I will, in my further videos, I will tell you some creation of the structure of the English languages. Okay, I hope you will like. If you will find it hopeful, please like and share. Have a nice day. Bye bye.